Welcome back to the channel. Businesses now have a huge range of video formats available, from polished presenter videos to informal social content, demonstrations and training. In this video, we're going to look at how to decide which approach actually makes sense for the job. One of the most common mistakes in business video happens before the camera is switched on. A company decides that it needs a video, but nobody clearly defines what that video is supposed to achieve. The format should follow the objective. Don't start by asking, what kind of video should we make? Start by asking, what do we need this audience to understand, feel confident about, or do next? Once that's clear, choosing the format becomes much easier. A spokesperson video is useful when a business needs a clear, controlled message delivered directly to the audience. It works well for introductions, service explanations, promotional messages, and educational content. A presenter can give the business a human presence while still keeping the wording and brand presentation consistent. UGC, or user-generated content style video, has a different feel. It normally looks more informal and personal. It can be useful when the communication benefits from appearing closer to an everyday customer experience. That may suit a testimonial style message, a product reaction, or content designed to sit naturally alongside other social media posts. An explainer video is useful when the audience needs to understand an idea, process, product, or service. The emphasis is clarity. That might involve a presenter, graphics, screen content, voiceover, or a combination of these. Corporate video is a broad category. It can include company profiles, internal communications, recruitment messages, leadership presentations, and business updates. The most effective corporate videos still have a specific purpose rather than trying to say everything about an organisation at once. Product demonstrations are useful when seeing the product in action answers questions more effectively than description alone. If a business sells a physical device, for example, showing how it is handled and what it does may be more useful than a presenter simply listing its features. Software, SaaS, and app videos often combine explanation with screen recordings. Imagine a company offering project management software. A general promotional video might explain the problem the platform solves, while a demonstration video could show how someone creates a project, assigns work, and checks progress. Those are different objectives, so they deserve different approaches. Training video has another purpose again. Here, clarity, structure, and consistency matter more than promotional energy. A workplace training lesson needs to help the viewer understand and apply information, not simply persuade them to buy something. Then there is social media video. A short LinkedIn clip may need to make one useful point quickly, because the viewer has not necessarily arrived looking for that specific video. Compare that with a website visitor who has deliberately opened a 3-minute service explanation. The subject could be similar, but the viewer's context is different. This is why format and audience should always be considered together. The right video is not the most fashionable format, or the one with the highest production value. It's the format that communicates the message effectively in the situation where the audience will see it. Before producing anything, define the objective, audience, viewing context, and desired next action. Those 4 decisions will usually tell you far more about the video you need than starting with equipment or creative ideas. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing to the channel for more practical advice on creating effective business video.